It's Thursday and I'm leaving beautiful Lake Mead campground. I'll be back. And now going down to Orleans. I'll play tournaments tonight and there's a couple other poker vloggers coming. So we're gonna have a little last man standing challenge.
Take the next left, then continue straight.
I made it to Orleans. Here's the masked personalities.
You never get to my sins?
Yeah. We have Jeff the Joker, Chuck Meister, Chucky.
Face, hold up, not happy poker.
Oh, face.
Happy face, hold up.
Hold him.
Happy poker for you?
He's holding it.
I'm a happy poker.
Randy just landed from Seattle. And yours always truly.
This guy.
Okay, so boys and girls, Chucky, Jeffy, masks down. Show the teeth. Okay, boys. Now we're gonna do last man standing, 20 bucks.
All right, I'm in. Sure.
Let's do it.
10, but,
No, he's gonna be out first.
yeah, I'll be first place, so just give it to me now.
No, you're gonna be out first.
Chuck gets to hold it. He said he's going to 10, so let him hold it.
20 bucks.
Do I have another 20?
Yeah.
Okay. I believe Jeff is gonna last longer, so.
Oh, no.
No, you keep
That's
it.
pressure.
If,
No,
you're gonna be out first anyway, so.
All right, there it is.
confident.
Yeah, that's.
We Seattle, like we Northwestern guys stick together. You guys stick together.
Okay. Oh, we got one more for last man standing. Jeff's friend Ed. So now there's 5 of us. We'll see how it works. So I lasted 4 levels. First 2 levels, no cards, nothing. Then I get ace, king, flop is king, jack, something small. Someone had king, jack, 2 pair. I lose there about 4,000. Chasing one flush, I give away another 6,000. And then I flopped a set of 10s with the guy on my left, who actually on a turn goes all in, and I gladly call. The board was like 10 high and he had pocket jacks. Another level, I flop again set of 10s. And then backdoor flush, runner, diamonds. And I see what's going on because guy bets all in on a river. I don't expect him to bluff. Unwillingly I call. And he crippled me totally. Next hand I was all in with king queen, lose to ace jack. It's the tournament. Now I have to get my money back in a cash game.
Three players.
I'm up like 300 almost. Short session. Well, that's it. Thursday festivities are over. So we started at 7 o'clock, 5 of us in a tournament, and I played for the first 2 levels, totally card dead. Then things start happening. I even flop a set. First I lost a bunch of chips, then double up with a set, then lost here and there, and then a bad beat when I flop a set of 10s again, and backdoor flush killed me, crippled me completely. Next hand I had king, queen, all in, and I was out. Then I went to a cash game, so I was first guy out of our last man standing that I initiated, thinking it's easy money. Donkeys are gonna donate. No, I'm first man out. So far, Ed is out, Randy is out on the bad beat. Ace King versus King Jack versus Ace something 4.
Keep playing. With 76, Juliana.
Oh my God.
21-4, there's exactly 21-4 there.
Did I win?
53 on it.
And Jack comes on the river and he's out. Ed is out also, so now Jeff is left with maybe 4,000 chips and Chuck has 40,000. So looks like Chuck may be the last man standing if the miracle doesn't happen. Tomorrow is the main event, a vloggers duel in a cash game. Well, also, it's not my regular habit, but yesterday on Wednesday I recorded top 5 for you. So you're gonna go back to Wednesday so you can see top 5. Hey, it's Wednesday. I'm still here in RV park on actually campgrounds on Lake Mead, but the strong wind started. Strong wind. Doesn't look pleasant anymore. Well, but it's interesting. Like 20 minutes ago, I'm sitting here and somebody knocks on the door. I was playing some music, some blues, and maybe it was too loud, I thought so. So now the neighbor came to complain. I said, this is gonna be fun. Well, I go, yes. Well, older gentleman, he goes, are you Mr. Vegas? I say, yeah, how do you know? He goes, I'm your subscriber. I just saw the video and I see you here in the campgrounds. So I came to say hello. So we chat a little bit. He said he was a prop player somewhere in Colorado. I didn't catch what casino for years. That's a tough thing. You pay $10 per hour and you're responsible for all your losses. How do you make $10 per hour last? So we're chatting and then he goes a question that I'm gonna use now as my top 5, because he said he likes top 5 section. He asked, what's your favorite John Frankenheimer movie? And he got me. I couldn't connect the name. I know it's director from old days, like from 60 years ago when I was a young boy, I remember, but I couldn't connect the name to the movies. So we chat and I said, can't remember really, but I know the name, no problem. So he left and then I came here, normally open Wikipedia to refresh my memory to see what movies are. So here are some. So from the beginning, and those are his most famous, Birdman of Alcatraz, that's with Burt Lancaster. Then Manchurian Candidate, that's the controversial movie with Frank Sinatra. Movie had some problems being released and some. So those movies are from 62. Then down the list is The Train, which is action movie And then Grand Prix, that's with international cast. Car racing movie with James Gardner, then Toshiro Mifune, his Japanese actor, one of my favorites, and French actor Yves Montand. He was my mom's favorite. She was probably in love with him. And then like Françoise Hardy, which is, she was young actors then, and actually singing. She had, I remember, some pop hits in 60s. So I remember that movie and actually saw it in theaters. That was a very popular movie, car racing. And then there's I Walk the Line, which is a movie I remember with Gregory Peck. He plays the sheriff, and there's a young girl in town, Tuesday Weld. So they have a relationship. And I actually saw that movie just recently, maybe 2 months ago. Saw it again. And then he directed French Connection Part 2 in 1975, and I saw that movie in London. I was traveling from my hometown, Belgrade, through Austria to France and to London for 36 hours, drinking. In those days we have long hairs and didn't care for anything, hitchhiking. Took me 36 hours. In France, I caught in Paris, I caught the train that goes to the coast, and then you go on a ferry across and then another train that takes you to Victoria Station in London. So I arrived about 10 o'clock on Victoria Station, totally exhausted. And then I start wandering around London, and I saw a movie theater, French Connection 2. French Connection first part was really excellent with Gene Hackman. He played Popeye Doyle, who was a real New York cop and real story. So I decided to go to see the movie. And I remember in those days in London, you could smoke in theaters. So I smoked a cigarette, and movie started. And can you imagine being tired from all that my trip? I fell asleep. I didn't see the movie. But movie plays all the time. So I think I woke up maybe about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I was sleeping in the chair for 5 hours. Then there's a 52 Pickup movie with Roy Scheider and Margaret. And I think that was, Roy Scheider did the movie after Jaws. I think he did All That Jazz movie, and then this 52 Pickup. I remember he plays some detective, and I don't remember the story anymore. Oh, then there's Ronin. I even didn't know that that's a Frankenheimer movie. Ronin, that's an excellent one with Robert De Niro. Really, really good one. So, as you can see, I gave you here so many movies. I don't know which one would be favorite. I know Ronin should be probably number one. And I like I Walk the Line. It's not Johnny Cash movie. It's Gregory Peck plays the sheriff. I like that one. Grand Prix, I remember I was young boy, and I really liked the movie. That would be number 3. Berman of Alcatraz, excellent movie. That I'm going to put that as number 4. And French Connection has to be part of that. Those are my top 5 Frankenheimer movies.